Hold on tight, because you're not here by accident. You are in the right place, at the right time, watching the right video. Trust me, the universe has a funny way of bringing us exactly what we need when we need it. Consider this video your cosmic wake-up call. I'm sending you an energetic hug through the screen, filled with love, positivity, and the unwavering belief that your breakthrough is coming. Hey, beautiful souls! Welcome to Motivational Beliefs, your sacred space for all things manifestation. If you're new here, let me just say that I am so honored to be a part of your journey. My mission is simple: to ignite the fire within you and empower you to manifest the life of your dream. Through my videos, I strive to inspire, guide, and support you every step of the way. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Why am I still stuck? Why hasn't my manifestation arrived yet? If you felt a pang of frustration or doubt lately, trust me, you're not alone. These feelings are completely normal, and they're actually a sign that you're on the brink of a massive transformation. So, take a deep breath and remember this. You are exactly where you need to be in this very moment. Yes, you heard me right. You are perfectly aligned with your path, and the universe is orchestrating a symphony of magic behind the scene. All the effort you've poured into your manifestations, the affirmations, the actions, the energy shifts, the inner work, the self-love, it's not going unnoticed. Every single step, every tear, every ounce of belief has been leading you to this moment of incredible potential. I know. Patience is often easier said than done, right? But let me tell you, patience is not just about waiting passively. It's a powerful virtue that holds the key to unlocking the full potential of your manifestation. Think of it this way. When you plant a seed, you don't expect it to sprout into a magnificent tree overnight. You nurture it with love, water, and sunlight, trusting that it will blossom in its own divine timing. Your manifestations are no different. They are seeds of potential that you have planted within the fertile soil of the quantum field. Now you might be wondering, what on earth is the quantum field? Well, my friends, it's the invisible energy field that connects us all. It's a realm of infinite possibilities where our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs have the power to shape our reality. This field responds to our internal state, our vibrations, our energetic frequency. If we are filled with doubt, fear, and impatience, we send out a signal to the universe that we are not ready to receive our manifestation. But when we cultivate patience, trust, and unwavering belief, we become a magnet for our desires. Remember, there are no delays in the universe, only divine timing. The waiting period you're experiencing right now is not a punishment, it's a preparation. It's a time for you to align yourself fully with your manifestations, to become the person who is ready to receive them. So instead of focusing on the when, focus on the who. Who do you need to become to embody your desires? What qualities, habits, and beliefs do you need to cultivate? Trust that this period of waiting is an essential part of your growth and transformation. And while you're waiting, don't forget to trust the process. The universe is working tirelessly behind the scenes to bring your manifestations to fruition. The right people, the right opportunities, the right circumstances are being drawn to you like moths to a flame. Keep your faith strong, my friends. Keep visualizing your desires as if they are already yours. Keep feeling the emotions of gratitude, joy, and excitement as if you are already living your dream life. This unwavering trust will amplify your energetic frequency and accelerate the manifestation process. You see, you are not just a passive observer in this grand cosmic play. You are an active creator, a powerful alchemist who has the ability to transform your reality with your energy. When you step into the role of a magnet, you radiate an irresistible force that attracts your desires to you effortlessly. So, how do you become a magnet? It all starts with your mindset. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and believe in the infinite possibilities that await you. Cultivate a positive attitude, practice gratitude, and embrace the journey with open arms. As you embody the qualities of patience, trust, and unwavering belief, you will witness the magic of manifestation unfold before your very eye. Remember, dear friends, you are not alone on this journey. The universe has your back, and I am here to cheer you on every step of the way. So keep shining your light, keep raising your vibration, and get ready to receive the abundance that is rightfully yours. Hear me loud and clear, my friends. You are no longer bound by the limitations of your past. The chains that once held you back have been broken, and you are now the authors of your own stories. Celebrate your progress, for you have overcome so much. You have faced your fears, healed your wounds, and transformed your limiting beliefs. You have risen from the ashes like a phoenix, stronger, wiser, and more radiant than ever before. And let me tell you this, you don't need any more techniques or strategies to manifest your dreams. You already possess the most powerful tool at your disposal, your energy. Your consistent energy, focus, and belief are the magic ingredients that will transform your reality. It's time to step into your power and own your role as a co-creator of your life. So, how do you tap into this divine energy that flows through you? It all starts with aligning your emotions, mindset, and frequency with your higher self. This means cultivating positive emotions like love, joy, gratitude, and compassion. It means adopting a growth mindset, embracing challenges as opportunities, and believing in your unlimited potential. It means raising your vibration through practices like meditation, mindfulness, and energy healing. Many of you may have already experienced an initial spiritual awakening that brought you face to face with your shadow aspect. You may have confronted your fears, insecurities, and limiting beliefs. You may have felt lost, confused, or even overwhelmed, but you didn't let these challenges deter you. You embraced them with courage and compassion, and you emerged from the depths of your being with newfound wisdom and strength. Remember, challenges are not obstacles. They are opportunities for growth. They are catalysts for transformation that propel us towards our highest potential. When faced with negativity, you chose love over fear. When faced with adversity, you chose resilience over despair. You have walked through the fire and emerged as radiant beings of light. But the journey doesn't end there, my friends. There is a deeper awakening that awaits you, a profound connection with your divine nature that will shatter all remaining illusions of limitation. In this next stage of your awakening, you will recognize that you are not just human beings having a spiritual experience, you are spiritual beings having a human experience. You will see that you are limitless, boundless, and infinitely powerful. So, open your hearts, dear friends, and embrace the infinite possibilities that await you. You are the creators of your own reality, the architects of your own destiny. Let your light shine bright. Let your love flow freely, and let your manifestations blossom into the world. Now, my dear friends, let's dive into some practical techniques that will further empower you on your manifestation journey. I invite you to embark on a powerful 21-day practice that will transform your energy and accelerate your manifestations. For the next 21 days, repeat the following affirmation with unwavering belief. I am a powerful creator. I am aligned with my highest good. I am worthy of receiving all that I desire. Affirmations are not just empty words, my friends. They are powerful tools that reprogram our subconscious mind to align with our highest truth. When we repeat affirmations with conviction and emotion, we send a clear message to the universe that we are ready to receive our manifestation. Affirmations help us break free from limiting beliefs, cultivate a positive mindset, and raise our vibration to attract our desires. So, take a moment right now to decide what you truly want to create in your life. What are your deepest desires, your wildest dreams? Decide with clarity, with conviction, with unwavering certainty. Do not let fear or doubt hold you back. Remember, you are limitless, boundless, and infinitely powerful. Embrace your dreams, no matter how big or audacious they may seem. You are not here to play small, my friends. You are here on a divine mission to show the world that transformation is possible. You are here to break down barriers, shatter glass ceilings, and create a life that is beyond your wildest imagination. Now let's talk about manifestation tools. These are simple yet powerful practices that can help you build a life filled with magic and possibility. Some examples of manifestation tools include vision boards, gratitude journals, scripting, visualization, and meditation. These tools help you clarify your desires, focus your energy, and raise your vibration to attract your manifestation. In addition to affirmations and manifestation tools, I encourage you to incorporate a daily meditation practice into your routine. Set aside some time each day to quiet your mind, connect with your inner wisdom, and ask the divine for guidance. Trust that you will receive the answers you seek and have faith in the divine plan that is unfolding for you. Throughout your day, focus on positivity. Surround yourself with uplifting people, inspiring messages, and beautiful things. Cultivate a gratitude practice and celebrate every small victory along the way. Remember, your energy is contagious, so spread joy, love, and positivity wherever you go. And finally, my friends, spread your wings and soar. You are ready to embrace your new reality with confidence and grace. Trust in your own power, trust in the universe, and trust in the divine plan that is unfolding for you. You are a magnificent being of light, destined for greatness. So, go forth and create the life of your dreams. My dear friends, I want you to take a moment and truly feel the power that resides within you. You are not just dreamers, you are doers. You are not just believers, you are creators. You have the power to manifest anything you desire, to turn your wildest dreams into your living reality. Look back at how far you've come. Celebrate the milestones you've reached, the obstacles you've overcome, and the lessons you've learned. You have transformed your fears into courage, your doubts into belief, and your limitations into possibility. You are a living testament to the power of manifestation, and your journey is an inspiration to us all. I encourage you to share your stories with others. Share your successes, your challenges, your breakthroughs, and your transformations. Your words have the power to uplift, inspire, and empower others who are on their own manifestation journeys. By sharing your experiences, you become a beacon of hope, a living example of what's possible when we align ourselves with our highest good. Now, my friends, it's time to take action. It's time to step out of your comfort zone and into the realm of infinite possibilities. It's time to embrace your dreams with open arms and say, "Yes, I am ready to manifest my desires." Start today. Take that first step, no matter how small it may seem. Write down your goals. Create a vision board. Start a gratitude journal. Or simply spend a few minutes each day visualizing your dream life. The universe is waiting to conspire with you, to bring your desires into reality. Don't wait for the perfect moment, for there is no such thing. The perfect moment is now. The perfect you is the you who is ready to take action, to trust in the process, and to believe in the power of manifestation. So, my dear friends, go forth and create the life you desire. Spread your wings and soar, for you are destined for greatness. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. I am here to support you, to guide you, and to cheer you on every step of the way. And always remember, the power to manifest your dreams lies within you. Trust in yourself, trust in the universe, and trust in the divine plan that is unfolding for you. You are a magnificent being of light, capable of creating miracles. So go out there and shine your light, for the world is waiting for you. And there you have it, my beautiful souls. We've delved deep into the heart of manifestation, explored the power of patience and trust, and unlocked the secrets to stepping into your power as a conscious creator. Remember, this is just the beginning. Your manifestation journey is a lifelong adventure filled with endless possibilities. I believe in you, my friends. I believe in your dreams, your desires, and your unlimited potential. I see the light within you, shining brighter with each passing day. You are a force to be reckoned with, a beacon of hope, and a catalyst for change. So, as you embark on this next chapter of your journey, I encourage you to keep shining your light, keep raising your vibration, and keep manifesting the life of your dream. Remember, you are never alone. The universe has your back, and I am here to cheer you on every step of the way. And if this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who needs a little boost of manifestation magic. Don't forget to subscribe to Motivational Beliefs and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Remember, you are loved, you are worthy, and you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Until next time, keep believing, keep dreaming, and keep manifesting.